As Jesus and his disciples traveled, they came to a village. A woman named Martha opened her home to him. She had a sister called Mary, who sat at the Lord's feet listening to what he said. But Martha was distracted by all the preparations. She came to Jesus and asked, "Lord, don't you care that my sister has left me to do the work by myself? Tell her to help me." Jesus answered gently, "Martha, Martha, you are worried and upset about many things, but few things are needed, or indeed, only one." He looked at Mary, captivated by his words, and said, "Mary has chosen what is better, and it will not be taken away from her." This moment teaches us the value of sitting at the feet of Jesus. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. God bless you and your family.